All right, guys, welcome back. Today we have the top rack. If you can see it, it came off, so it's broken. So now we're gonna have to replace it. So let's just go ahead and finish taking it off. So see how it's kind of broken off? So we're gonna replace this thing. So first thing, let's pull it off. The tools we're gonna need. I ordered these off of Amazon. I'll put the link down below to let you know exactly which ones I got. Use a screwdriver, and what we're going to do is okay, let's just see adjustable, go up and down. Well, it looks pretty easy. We're just gonna pry those apart, okay? So easy enough. What I do is I put my screwdriver in here, pull this out, and it came off. It didn't come off that easy, but I'm gonna do it on the other one, okay? So as we took that part off, this right here are all the parts we're going to need. Also gonna have some clips and clips. Everything's kind of similar. I don't know if you can see that. There goes one clip and there goes the other clip. But we're gonna pull this off. Looks like this is just gonna go right here in that spot. So we're gonna pull clips off, and go from there. All right, guys. All right, and then so in order to get this clip off, we're gonna have to put the screwdriver in this part and this part and push it out to pull it up, okay? Let's see if I can kind of do this with both. Okay, so we're gonna push this side in and then slide the whole thing down. So push it in and if you can see that, then slide it up. Once it goes up like that, kick it out like that. See how it kind of is in? You got to kind of put in the same way. Got it? Okay. So fixing, so we took one side off. Now we're gonna take this side off. We're gonna mess with this, okay? All right. On this part, you're gonna push this forward and then slide it down, then kick it out. Okay, got that? All right, now we're gonna take it apart. All right, here we go. All right, you see this piece right here actually was held on this other side. So it was held on like that with this piece. What I did have to do was push through here to get that off. So I'm gonna put it right back together with this new piece. Okay, so that's a new piece. I put this clip in right here. That was similar to that I pushed out. Okay, now I'm gonna kind of put all these things back together. So this is the new one. And gotta turn in one side and bring it down the other. Okay, I'm gonna mess with this. So I just finished putting this together. Now I'm gonna get this other piece and it seems like I'm just gonna clip it onto this top piece and just clip that, okay? Why we do that and then lift it up and then clip it. There we go. All right, voila. Okay, that's one side. Oh, wait. Now we need to put this top piece together. As you can see, we're gonna put them both together and we're gonna put them back on here. So, I don't know if you can see this side, but you just kind of fit everything in right here. And then we're just gonna kind of fit all the pieces. So you can tell it kind of goes in, inward, and then we gotta, okay, cool. So that's one side done. All right, now we're gonna work on the other side the same way. Okay, so first we're gonna pull this part off. So just kind of pry it in. Just be careful because everything could be a little brittle. Comes off like that, goes like that. Those are your parts. You're gonna use this again. And from here, we're gonna come on this side. We'll push this forward and then slide it out, pull this piece out. Then we're going to slide this all the way. Oh, just push it out, slide all the way down and pull off your clip. Comes out, okay? Next thing we're going to do is pull this out. Save this piece because we're going to need it. Old piece, new piece, okay, so that piece holds everything together. Then you're gonna put your clips. Gotta tilt it, angle it, let it fit in. Push this in. Clips on, there we go. And then new piece first, clip that on. Once you clip it on, stretch it all the way up and then go on there. That's it. So now it's all together, okay? Okay, next step, we gotta pull these off. If you look over here, you push this little lever and the whole thing comes off. We're gonna pull these wheels off, old. Let's see. Okay, came off. Pull these off. Old wheels. Oh. As you saw, we forgot to put this back together. So, right in here. Make sure it snaps. Okay, now put the wheels inside. Both same time. Other wheels. Other wheel. Push it all the way in. Clips. Same, everything same way you took them off. Make sure everything snaps in. Snaps in. Okay, and now we have our new rack. All right, perfect. All the old stuff put together, put it on trash. I'm gonna put a link at the very bottom. Thanks for watching. Peace out.